Good morning and welcome to the only democracy when they on top of television. Which television be that? Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And waiting be the Ogbonge program. As it is hot. Every Monday go reach Friday from 10 to 11. Will they give you the license to talk them the way when the team be you for body? So that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. And today on go hot. It go come and plenty smoke. But before I drop the topic, I go introduce myself. My name na Ezogo Chokwodi. Uncle be not there inside studio. Instead they go about that in search for imperfect wife. I get Ogbonge journalist, investigative journalist. Who be investigative journalist? Investigative journalist na journalist wey be say na only two things they dey inside their pocket: microphone and camera. And then they get antenna for their ear. Sake of say any information when they hear, their ear go stand. They go gather all the information, all the cocoa when they inside, so that we go know the true side inside the story. The person when they with me inside na Oga Yemi Olakitan, Ogbonge investigative journalist. Oga Yemi, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Make I shake your hand so that quickly we go begin the discussion. I dey happy say as I give you the invitation, you accept to come join us to discuss this very important matter. Wetin we dey discuss today na very important issue as it get to do with our government. We dey always dey talk about top of As It Dey Hot. Say government na like clock. We get the federal, we get the state, and we get the local. All of them must work, I go speak Latin, pari passu, so that government go work well for the interest of everybody. But what we don't they see, can't they be like say, all of us, that is the people, the electorate, when they vote, our eye there for the center. Anything when happen, we go shout federal government. Anything when happen, we go shout Aso Rock. We know they put eye for the different states when they inside our country. Remember, we say we get 36 state governments and 774 local governments. If we know if we check them well, starting from where we did, how center go be. Make I break them down. Recently, we don't get gist. Say the immediate past governor of Lagos State, that is the governor when we say in the year before May 29, 2015, Babatunde Raji Fashola, say he gets the kind way when we say he spends some kind money. According to the informate, when we say the present Lagos State government put on top of website that is for internet for everybody to see. People don't check am, come see say the way when the man takes spend the money, it be like say somehow monkey hand dey inside the soup. Then give breakdown and talk say the government of Babatunde Raji Fashola for 2013 spend 139 million naira to make two boreholes, that is then dig ground, make water come inside. 139 million for two. They also go further. Then talk say car park where they park motor for Lagos House for Marina. Say the government of Babatunde Raji Fashola they spend 640 million for car park. By the time when people they shock, say, hey, how they go to spend this money? They go further. They talk say 300 million naira as it get to do with cable, power holding company of Nigeria Cable for the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital. 300 million I they spend to use relocate the cable come up from one part. As we they talk again, they got to say for the Kata Bridge when they for Lagos here, 175 million now they spend to change the iron when they for the bridge when people they use like waka to conquer. As we they talk again, they can't go further. Say 220 million now they spend as the say they won't design the Lagos State University College of Medicine to make them fine and do some kind small repair. They can't talk say the governor spend 1.2. This one we always they pause before we talk am. 1.2 billion naira for house where no get address for Onikon. They say they don't know the house, but he spent 1.2 billion for the construction of the house. As people they shout say, hey, house where no get address, when nobody don't see, now they spend 1.2 billion on top. He can't go further. Say the governor, under in government, they build 48 bedroom hotel, VIP, where we say some kind of fresh people go there, go they rest. And they spend 1.6, I go pause again, billion naira for inside that 48 room hotel. We can't go further, say for the remodeling and re-equipping, that is, as they want to change the house of the state chief judge for Ikoyi for here. Say they spend 510 million naira. The thing don't make my spit they dry. I know if my heart don't they beat somehow. make I leave am for here. True and go give Oga Yemi, all these things wey we dey hear say our own governor, the action governor when we say people dey use am as example of the way when we say governors dem suppose dey. We don dey see this one. Now Lagos State government now under the leadership of Governor Ambode, na dem put this one outside and people don look say how you go spend this kind money? Say no how. When we say government, when they represent the interests of the people, when suppose they spend money, they try save so that the life of people go better. Government, when they collect tax, the way when Lagos State government they collect, go they spend this kind of money like say they want they spend the money anyhow. What do you get to talk for inside this matter?
If you remember the thing where I tell you, the last time where I come this show.
Yes, you talk am. I
talk and say, no be only people wey dey PDP na corrupt.
No, never conclude. We not talk say corrupt.
No. I talk say corrupt.
It be like say the way you want start this talk. It be like say na there you dey go.
Make I land.
Okay, land.
You know, na aeroplane dey fly. He never land. I said no be only PDP people wey dey people corrupt. Corruption dey inside APC.
Everywhere.
It don dey come out now.
Agreed.
And I no talk say corrupt too. You understand? But if you look at the figure now. How person go spend taxpayer money 78.3 million come sell and come build website.
Website, it depend on, maybe some things when they're on top of the website. Now, maybe like videos, big pictures when get big megabyte quality, high resolution.
The company will build the website itself, the contact say, now only 10 million. Now then collect for inside the money.
Where the remaining?
It did for inside paper.
68 million.
And look, as I sit down, so if you give me ordinary 100,000, I go build correct website, umbunga website for you.
But you
go good well.
You get customer when you testify say you build website because this company, company when they
ordinary 100, I go build website. How? They're realistic.
So you talk say these figures now something when we say we're supposed to try on top.
That's just exactly.
But make we look.
Another one, the two way this one even make person head the
ring bell.
The ring bell. The borehole. The drilling of 2 boreholes.
139 million. But it depends though. I know somebody when we say he be landlord and for the place when he build in house, in talk am say in build in own borehole now 600,000 naira. If one man, no be governor, no be even local government chairman, fit spend 600,000 naira to build borehole, governor considering say he own in house there for outside Lagos, but this governor, this one are for Ikeja. You see the difference outside Lagos, Ikeja. If it be say the ground when they go deep. I don't know. I just they talk. No be say the way they look me fear don't they catch me.
Well, maybe the water will be inside.
Now water of life.
Now from heaven.
Now the water come
from. They go dig and go reach go heaven.
They go connect and go heaven.
I don't understand. Maybe the kind of water say if you want drink water from the borehole, you no go do anything. You go just stand. Water go they come out.
Our people went there for house. We go soon throw our phone lines open. Make una call to Chukma for on top of this matter. Plenty people don't they complain. Say it be like say this program of the people by the people and for the people. Say somehow they never they get time to Chukma for this
matter. Them
chance
talk.
We go through our phone lines open so that una go call to talk this one. 90 seconds now everybody gets.
Okay.
Representing the state where you come from. Open your mouth, talk them out now. Make we know how state governments they spend their money. From Lagos, make we enter Adamawa. Information been come out first on the 12th of August. Chief of staff to the governor, that is person when we say anything when governor they doing they know him. He come out, come talk say the share of the bailouts when Adamawa state government gets from the federal government. Remember that time when people they shout say workers never collect salary. Say they use their own buy bulletproof cars. They even use and pay some kind of people when get the spirit of I don't know whether na God or something, but those people they get fire.
This one where the president they shout say money no day.
The one where president they say money no day. Say they pay some clerics whether Christian, whether Muslim, to cast and bind, Boko Haram people come out for inside the state, and then spend the money on top of, vigilante when they put security for the state. But plenty people come and talk, say, if all the governors, starting from the 5th of May, where APC governors go visit Oga President, tell and say, it be like, say, our state, with the first problem, you go help us, tell them, say no get any responsibility to they give them money since they collect the allocation. But after they put pressure, you can't give them money. Una can't carry this same money, go they buy bulletproof car, they pay clerics. Somehow the thing no make. I don't know. You now the right thing, now good thing to spend this kind of money.
You see, the thing we do for this country, we say, like you talk before, people know they put eye for state government, how state government they spend money. We know they put eye for how local government they spend money. We know they put eye for how state ministry they spend money. Everybody na center. Even our President Buhari, as they talk about corruption, wetin they talk? Jonathan administration, Jonathan cabinet, Jonathan, they know they talk about what about Amechi. Fashion, then they talk about all those state governments. You see, we supposed to chook eye for all these
for
things.
Our state. All of us supposed to focus on all the states.
Like for instance, what be all the local government they do? Tell me the thing where the local government they do. Then they give them money.
But it be like say somehow. It be like say they never they really.
I don't understand. Then they give them.
Make I go Kano State. I don't know whether
all of them they collect money every month.
Quickly, make I go Kano State. During the period of Holy Ramadan, where our Muslim brothers and sisters they fast, we hear say the Kano State government set aside 220 million to take feed people after them break.
Okay.
You think say state when we say they owe workers salary, now that one supposed to be the first, because person when we say fast finish where you feed, now more blessing ladder they come from God.
Exactly.
But you think say government supposed prioritize that they're supposed to put that one first before workers salary?
At all. Government not supposed to do that one. One thing we don't recognize it, now our country, we get many religions.
True.
We get Islam, we get Christianity,
we get African traditional religion.
We get traditional religion.
True.
You see, they don't recognize traditional religion. They get their own religion. If they give religion a personal thing, no be national issue.
Even at that,
government not supposed to put hand for religion at all.
Even if government they put hand for religion,
why should they put hand? Why they go put hand for religion?
Make I come from this.
Okay, I did.
Even if government they put hand for religion, it not supposed to be at the, I go speak English, detriment of the people. One thing I say, you they owe workers salary. And again, you can't they feed people. Why not use that money, give people salary before that one? Lucky they call us from Warri. Warri they inside Delta State. Maybe go Chukma to tell us how then they spend, how the state government they spend money for inside Delta. Oga Lucky, good morning, sir. Oga Lucky from Warri, good morning. Will they hear you?
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Lucky.
Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, sir.
You told me at this Ukubi never say come back.
In the come.
Okay. Did you see this question of everything federal government, everything federal government? Baba Buhari does also he won't do something pertaining to corruption. Now see the money when he take help all the state local government. After dishing out the money, did he find out whether the local government, whether they use the money to take pay the workers or not? You understand?
Yes, so.
That is one. Two, there are some of the states that they use the money and they paid only 2 months salary. Only 2 months. When did they say that they owe January, February, March, April, May, June, July? And they paid only 2 months from now 3 months. The remaining one, what do they can do?
Oga Lucky, for inside Delta State where you dey, una dey check the way we say una own government dey spend money, una get idea abi anything wey una see na una dey collect.
When we say the one when it come now, when people are hungry, not be the one when they give them they go take.
Oga Lucky, you don make very important point. We don hear from Delta. e be like say we need to dey demand more from our government say make dem open government make we dey hear.
Wait, I go say.
No vex before you respond. Oga Alex, him person wey be say anything wey him talk. Na hey, Oga Alex, this na the work of the enemy o.
He go call back.
Oga Alex, abeg call us back from Abuja. Make you talk well because I know say anything wey you talk.
Another problem be say we dey leave everything for government. We dey live like Oga Lucky talk. He say make the President Buhari did he look back how states spend the money wey he release.
But again make we check am.
But where all the people wey dey for that state? They no fit organize themselves.
Make they ask.
That's why na the reason why we get NGO, why we have society, association, pressure group, lawyers, lawyers. They go organize themselves. They go come together. They checkmate the state government. You know.
You see,
the thing we supposed to do with that. We supposed monitor them. No be only center.
I dey vex, but because I go control myself.
Then go distribute money to all the state government.
Go collect money
under Jonathan, under Yaradua, under Obasanjo. All of them they collect money every month. We dey monitor them.
True.
We dey monitor them.
And tomorrow everybody go blame the center.
They go blame say that in English.
Make we go Kaduna because I know say since Oga Nasiru El-Rufai enter, he don take some kind action step. Make I know whether Kunle go confirm say the state government dey pay well. Oga Kunle, how the government for Kaduna dey take spend money? Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
We dey hear you, Oga Kunle.
Good morning, Oga Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Buga visitor, good morning.
Good morning.
This one really as the hot. The topic we bring today, the hot.
The hot where we abeg 90 seconds. Just hit
the issue is that I called you yesterday.
You talk am.
I told you that this issue of say they are fighting corruption is just like a national item in Nigeria. Understand now? We have never seen any sign of fighting corruption. With all indication we are seeing, understand? Like what one caller said that the money they share for the states for bailout. Before you give them money, why can't you find out what happened to the previous one that they giving them? And why are they unable to pay the salary? You're supposed to ask. You're supposed to find out why. What's the problem? Are they not giving them money? Are they out to they spend the money before you say you are giving them bailout or this? That's one is corruption. You give them the money to robust their house or to robust their account themselves. And again, what is happening in this country, understand now? People just think that because they hear change, understand now? And they don't know the meaning of change, understand now? Change can be change of government from one place to another, understand now? But not the attitude of people, understand now? We still have the same corrupt people in the government, understand now? Like what you are saying, Kaduna, even past few days ago, I know a teacher that came to my house. Just come and knock my door on Monday that he need just finding small money. They don't even have money to even transport himself to where they are doing the verification this thing, that they have not paid them for 2 months or 3 months. Understand? So all these things, and they give them, and let me tell you, and the state themselves, they are generating revenue. Understand? You can't tell me that they are not generating revenue. Even in a day, they know what they are getting. Even Nigeria, when you are shouting that there's no money, we know how many barrels of crude they are selling every day in Nigeria. And you still be shouting that the treasury, empty treasury. Where did you get the money that you give to the task force?
Oga Kunle, thank you very, very much. You go hear from the way when Oga Kunle they talk, say the thing they prepare am for body. We don't get Nigeria where we say you feel leave any part of the country. See Lucky for Warri, see Oga Kunle for Kaduna, and we get Nedu from Calabar. Oga Nedu, good morning, sir. Chukma for this matter as it is hot.
Hello, Oga Chukwu.
Good morning, Oga Nedu.
How Nkubi now?
Nkubi dey fine. He go soon come back. They don't release him. We hear say the council of elders for the village where he go give them 50 gallons of palm wine, wey 40. Now only water dey inside. They don't free him.
Okay, Oga Chukwu.
I dey hear you.
I don't want to talk much. I don't want to begin the speak grammar or the right protocol. Since the way this Oga Baba Buhari enter May 29, then they say they fight corruption, but I never see an scapegoat. I want to make you just come out one person. So all and make others sabi body. All the people they talk saying they fight corruption. Make you take action. Make you just take action. Understand? When you take action, others will look say, yeah, this man means business. Understand? So when they talk and format, they talk and then go see they do waiting, then they do. Let the man just take action.
Oga Chinedu, thank you very, very much. But quickly, make I point out, he talk say we never see scapegoat. Make we not use the term scapegoat, although the way when he take use them, no be bad thing at all. We know saying a democratic dispensation we dey. You know if you just come up person, punish am immediately. We dey get process, make it not be like say you be military dictator.
You go give the person chance to defend
himself. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Oga Alex don't call back from Abuja. No verse, okay. Oga Alex, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Shukudi and the co-anchorman.
Yeah, my name is Yemi.
I greet you now.
We greet you, Oga Alex.
Shukudi.
Sir.
When Pachela entered the seat of governor of Lagos State, he entered with black hair. But as he come up now, all he had white finish.
Not true.
Exactly the same way Goodluck Jonathan entered that time with Barack Obama. So he sure say he had a think tank. I need to give Lagos State facilities. But again, Shukudi, I feel one thing. Behind good meal, any person when you see that they do it like this well, then they take and they cover multitude of things. And not all they work go shop. But behind that, if they work. If they shop, it not go through. So, I mean, to take more than 17 million to open a website, it makes me laugh now.
Now wow, my brother.
We get new era now. Era of probe, you don't already comment. Again, let me talk about Adamawa State. Each prayer, they sanitize state. Christians don't pray now. Muslims don't pray. And Boko Haram, they kill people today. So any government, when you use part of this money, where Baba Buhari give them to set up workers, say you give us from prayers, from movers elsewhere. Let the parade the president immediately from the money now. You don't reach a stage in Nigeria where people no one go fish it us again. We open eye koro, they see whatever way they do. So I thank God the program already start. Let me carry on with the discussion of my colleagues.
Thank you very much, Oga Alex. You don't make very important point. Oga Yemi, quickly, I don't know whether we get anybody when they wait, but I go like make you respond to all the things when we say our people don't talk. Starting from Oga Alex. Oga Alex now somebody when we say in the very, very objective, whether we like him or not. He know they call to say he won't support this person. As the team be, now so in the talk, just like many of our callers, because of now their opinion and waiting they believe in. But make we can't look this one now. We get situation when we say people go talk say, if they work. But if they chop. We also get situation when we say people go say, na small money chop now, and another one go say, this money big where we no fit compare that to the small money when he chop. When we go this break, come back, you go answer this question because I dey vex, but I dey try control myself.
Yeah.
How we go take fit as a people begin the demand for accountability from our government, so that we go know how much then they take spend our own money. When we go, come back, we'll continue our discussion. As it dey hot.
It dey hot well.
It must hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.